Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English Version Math, Algebra Exercise 4.3. Resolve into factors 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 number question. If we take a look at the maths here, you see 21 and 22 as cube form, but the others are square. They are different. So let us solve 21 and 22 first. 21 and 22 and 22. For 21 and 22 we have to apply the cubic formula. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b. For resolving into factors, we always use this cube formula. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Now let us start with number 21. X minus y whole cube plus z cube equals to, we can apply straightway this formula, a cube plus b cube, and a plus b means x minus y plus z. A square minus ab plus b square means x minus y square minus x minus y into z plus z square. Equals to x minus y, just we are simplifying and getting rid of the brackets, second brackets, x minus y plus z into x square minus 2xy plus y square minus xz minus plus yz and plus z square. And that is the answer. The answer is x minus y plus z into x square minus 2xy plus y square minus xz plus yz plus z square. This is that. Number 22. 64x cube minus 8y cube. 64x cube minus 8y cube minus 8y cube equals to, here if we get something common in the expressions, we will always take that common out. For example, here 64 and 8, we can take 8 common and this will be 8x cube minus y cube. So 8 is a factor. More factor we can get, better it is. More number of factors, better is the result. So equals to 8 into, now 8x cube can be expressed as 2x whole cube minus y cube, and now it is looking like a cube minus b cube, and we can apply a cube minus b cube formula. equals to 8 into a minus b means 2x minus y into a square minus ab plus b square equals to 8 into 2x minus y into, just simplify, 4x square minus 2xy plus y square, and that is the answer 8 into 2x minus y into 4x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now we will solve number 23. Actually, from 23 to 26, these are a particular type of expression. 23, 24, 25 and 26. You see these expressions, these are not cube. These expressions are known as x square plus px plus q. Here q is constant, 40 is q and 14 is p. We have to follow steps to solve these problems. What are those? Number 1, select two factors a, b, two factors a, b, so that q equals to a into b. Number 2, p equals to a plus b. Okay. Now we start with number 23. 23. X square plus 14x plus 40. X square plus 14x plus 40. What is the value of q here? Q is 40. And what is the value of p? It's 14. And we have to select two factors so that multiplication of those factors are 40 and addition of those two factors is 14. What about 4 and 10? 4 into 10, 4 plus 10, yes, equals to x square plus 4x plus 10x plus 40 equals to, if we take x common, x plus 4 plus 10 common, x plus 4. The factors should be x plus 4 into x plus 10. The answer, x plus 4 into x plus 10. Now we will solve number 24. X square plus 7x minus 120. X square plus 7x minus 120. Q is 120. And what factors we should select? So that after summation, the result is 7, plus 7. We have to choose the factor. One should be with plus sign, another should be with minus sign. How? Okay, first thing, 120, 15 into 8, or 8 into 15, 8 into 15. Yes, it is okay. Now 7. One should be with minus, one should be with plus. How we do that? 7 is the plus sign, so bigger one should be with plus sign and smaller one with minus sign. Now it is 7, yes. If we don't choose one with plus, one with minus, we cannot solve this because minus 120 already has a minus sign. We need another minus sign. and that is why we used 15 minus 8. Okay, equals to x squared plus 15x minus 8x minus 120 equals to, if we take x common, x plus 15 minus 8 x plus 15 equals to x minus 8 into x plus 15, and that is the answer, x minus 8 into x plus 15. Number 25, x squared minus 51x plus 650. Q is 650 here. So we select two factors, 60, the 51, minus 51 is a minus sign. Here we have to remember that we need two factors with both should be with minus. So how about 25 and 26? And when we do the math, 51 equals to minus 51 equals to minus 25 minus 26. We need two minus sign here, otherwise we cannot solve it, and that is why we select minus 25 and minus 26 equals to x squared minus 25x minus 26x plus 650 equals to x common, x minus 25 minus 26, x common, minus 26 common, so x minus, you see this is a plus sign before 650, so minus minus plus, so 26 into 25 is 650 equals to x minus 25 into x minus 26, that is the answer, x minus 25 into x minus 26. Now number 26, a square plus 7ab plus 12b square, q is 12. The factors we have to choose, and q, p is 7. How about 3 and 4? 3 plus 4, 3 into 4, yes. So a square plus 3ab plus 4ab plus 12b square here, 12b square equals to a into a plus 3b plus 4 common, 4b common actually, a plus 3b equals to a plus 3b into a plus 4b. That looks better. Answer, a plus 3b into a plus 4b. And we have just finished all these from 21 to 26. In the next video we will solve the other problems. So see you there. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.